In this video, we'll learn how you can like notes on Instagram, and if you cannot do this for some reason, then we'll see the solution to this problem. So we'll open the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android devices, and then simply open your Instagram DMs. As you can see, I have a bunch of notes which people shared, and let's say I want to leave a like on a note. All I have to do is to double tap on the profile photo of the person, or double tap on the note itself. You'll see a little animation play with the heart, and that means that we had liked this note. And if you've liked a note on accident and you want to remove the like, you simply have to click on that note, and this menu will pop up where you can leave a message, but we'll tap on the heart icon at the right side in order to unlike that note. So that's how you can like and unlike a note, but if you double tap on a note and nothing happens, then you'll want to open your App Store or the Google Play Store, and then make sure that your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. If you see an update option right here, then click on that button and then wait a couple of minutes until the latest version of Instagram is installed. After this step, you want to open your app and then try to like a note. But if this still doesn't work, then you'll simply have to wait a little bit longer until they roll out the feature for your specific region or country. Thanks for watching this video, everyone, and I'll see you soon.